Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must be a Teamspace admin to proceed. Once confirmed, begin by identifying pages, databases, and integrations that belong to the Teamspace. Export critical pages or move them to another workspace now so nothing is lost. Also, make sure billing or template ownership is reassigned. This prevents access and billing conflicts after deletion. When you have backups and transfers complete, open the Teamspace settings to start the removal steps. Do not skip the export step, since recovery is difficult afterward. First, remove or reassign Teamspace members and transfer any ownership roles. You want no dependent users left. Next, disconnect third-party integrations, disable automations, and delete widgets tied to the space because they can block deletion. Then go through the remaining pages and databases, deleting content permanently or moving it to another workspace. Make sure recurring database views and templates are cleared. Once every dependency is resolved, return to Teamspace settings to reveal the final deletion controls and click the Final Delete button and carefully confirm the prompts. This action is irreversible, so double-check that exports exist. After deletion, review your workspace list and billing settings to ensure no orphan charges or links remain. If the Teamspace won't delete, it's usually due to lingering integrations, ownership transfers, or billing ties. Remove those and retry. If problems persist, gather screenshots and exact error messages. Then contact Notion support or your admin to resolve account-level blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.